425 couldn't be easier. The machines move forward or backward with one simple to use control. A single high flow pump dedicated to an auxiliary circuit powers augers, trenches and that perform a wide variety of tasks. The power is available simply by holding down a lever on the traction control reference bar. A separate pump dedicated to guiding movement of the loader arms and bucket is operated by a simple joystick. A great feature incorporated in the loader arms allows the bucket to float as the TX follows ground contours. This makes it possible to backgrade or level with ease. Tyro Design track drive of the TX series gives you outstanding traction, power and stability even in the most difficult landscape and ground conditions. We designed the extra ride track of the TX 425 with its increased track to ground coverage, even greater power and versatility. And with its large footprint and only 3.4 psi of ground pressure, the TX 425 is especially turf friendly. You worry about flat tyres when the Tyro TX takes on the roughest terrain. At only 88 cm wide, the Tyro TX 420 can go through narrow gates, doorways and other tight spaces inaccessible to other machines.